ready for day 2?
I am. What is day 2 of your Fishmas advent calendar?
Ooh, that's a teeny lure.
What is it?
I forget what they're called.
Not a spinner?
Nope, not a spinner.
Oh, cool. It's actually really nice looking. Wow. Nice. And we should open number 2 of this. Can I do the honors? Where's 2? Yours isn't as misaligned as mine. Mine's like, the bent part is like halfway.
Are you opening mine?
Yeah. Oh, nice. You're gonna like today's. I'll show you so you can reopen it as a surprise. See you later. Have a good day at work.
Thank you.
You're so cute. You just stuck your tongue out at me. Oh my goodness, you're so adorable. And you're probably so annoyed. Oh, you're so cute. Ow. Always. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 6. I can't believe it's already Vlogmas Day 6. That's crazy. Happy Friday, everybody. It's actually Monday right now. I'm filming this a few days early just so I get everything out on time, but it's not the morning. You'd think, okay, your bed's not made, you don't look ready whatsoever. It is 2:20 p.m. right now. And this morning I spent my time editing the vlog from this weekend and getting things ready for the week. And Monday mornings, I usually am more on the ball. So that being said, I'm going to do a quick ballet class, make the bed, get ready for the day because I actually head out to work in about an hour. And it's pretty snowy outside, hence the reason I want to leave pretty early so that if I do hit any snowy patches, I've left with plenty of time. I'm not late, I'm not in a rush. So I'm going to leave in about an hour, but before then, I'm going to do ballet class. I did teach online recently, so I am kind of dressed, but I'm going to get into a leotard at least. Maybe just wear these studio pants. I love these studio pants. Everybody always asks me where those beige ones are from, and they're from Lululemon. They're the studio pants without the cuff. Those are my preference. The ones with the cuff, when they ride up a lot, and it's not comfortable. So I definitely prefer the beige ones, which I'll probably throw on with my leotard. I don't know why I just took my hair out. I'm gonna have to put it back up. But anyways, let's make the bed. Let's get ready for the day, and then I'm going to head into work and probably make a delicious coffee and the tea from today's advent calendar. So let's quickly make the bed because you don't need to see me make it in real time. Let's just do a cool transition. I am putting this book by my bedside, so I am forcing myself to read it before bed because I have not gotten as far as I would have liked to. So this is what I'm reading when I get back home. All right, let's do another cool little transition. This Yumiko is one of my favorite ones. It's got this like green color, and then this is more of like a taupe trim, and I just love the sleeves. It's the Marique style. And then I'm just gonna wear my pants because I'm just gonna do a quick point class before I head out because I only really have 15 to 20 minutes, more like 20 minutes. So let's put on some point shoes and do a bit of a point class. Now, I keep putting off sewing my point shoes, guys. It's been months, it's been far too long, but I just have not had the time, nor have I had the motivation to break in a new pair of shoes. And you know what? The nice thing about plastic point shoes is that they never, you know what I mean? Also, this leotard, I don't know, it holds a smell. I don't like it. It's fine for today. It will do. It shall do for today. I've also got a bit of a hangnail on my toe, which is so annoying. In point shoes, if you know, you know. Anything like toe related in point shoes is the worst, honestly. Especially a bruised toenail. Thankfully, I don't get those anymore because I just don't wear point shoes enough to get them anymore. I used to get them all the time when I was a student, and they were quite literally the worst. One of the best remedies was to soak them in a salt bath. Kind of like draws out the infection or whatever. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. Don't quote me on that, but maybe even if it was a placebo, it helped. Anyways, I have the point shoes on and I am ready. There is nothing more cozy to me than being able to do a point or a ballet class inside when it's snowing so much, and boy oh boy has it been snowing. It wasn't that snowy this Monday, thankfully, but still, it's so nice to look outside, see the snow falling, see the trees glisten and glow and sparkle in the sunshine, or when the snowflakes are falling, and be able to say that I'm inside doing a point class. So I just feel so cozy, so happy and fulfilled doing a ballet class or a point class and being cozy. And I know holiday season can be kind of hard for people. I myself get super stressed, but at the same time, I love the holidays because I love Nutcracker season. I love, you know, just getting ready for shows, and everybody's dancing so much because it's nearly the end of the year. We're trying to tie up things before the end of the year, before the new year begins. And like I said, I am someone who gets really stressed, but the reason I get so stressed is because it feels like you only have so long to achieve
your goals that you had for this year by the end of the year. And to that, I've just learned that you have to be easy on yourself. You have to set realistic goals as well. And that's another reason I'm kind of starting to work on my goals the last couple of months, so that when I go into January, I already feel comfortable and good about the things that I'm working on, such as reading before bed, going to bed at a reasonable hour, trying to fit in 2 to 3 times a week of cardio, because that is something I'm really lacking in. And I also want to get into the habit of journaling. So I actually just bought some journals and I'm going to start journaling this week, because as much as I love setting goals and resolutions January 1st, I think it's just better if you start to softly launch these goals, so that when January comes around, you don't feel totally overwhelmed with all the things that you've done, or I should say have planned to do as part of your resolutions. I hope that all made sense to you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what your resolutions are, if you have any, and what your goals will be for 2025.
All right, so I was just filming some TikToks and Instagrams in my tutu, just like getting some aesthetic videos, but I wanted to show you guys my tutu because this tutu is actually custom. I always get people ask me where I got it, and I did get it custom, but Dancewear Center sells some amazing tutus, which is where I always recommend my students go to. But this one was custom from ballet school. It was $500, but the ones from Dancewear Center are a lot more reasonable. And again, that's where my students always get theirs, and they actually performed in theirs. And they're like pull on, and I think they're really professional looking practice tutus or even performance tutus, because again, we wore them for performances. But like I said, this one's custom, but I would more than recommend the Dancewear Center tutus. Anyways, I'm going to get changed and get ready to go to work. Time to do some skincare and makeup. I'm wearing this top from Lulu. This is the Align Tank, and my Lulu Studio pants, which is the pair of pants that people tend to ask about. I really like them. I totally forgot to shave today, but whatever. Wear a sweater today. But like I said, I'm gonna do some skincare. Don't like to do too much makeup because I finish so late from work, and sometimes I don't get home until very, very late. And the last thing I wanna do is take off a bunch of makeup. So I will just do a little bit, not a lot. Using the Youth to the People Superfood Skin Drop, and then the Air Whip Moisture Cream. Oh my God, no, it's okay. I love how moisturized and like glossy my skin always feels whenever I use these products. I think I'm gonna save the tea for tonight when I get home. And I'm going to pack dinner because I've been so guilty this year of getting home late, like at like 10 or 11 o'clock, and having dinner when I get home because I'm too lazy to pack a dinner. But I have an hour-long break, so I don't know why I don't pack my dinner, because I literally have an hour to eat and I just sit around and talk, and sometimes I order food there, and I can be way more economically sound and smart about it by preparing my food here and then bringing it. So I will do that. Although another reason I don't bring food usually is because I don't want it to go bad if there's no fridge or the fridge isn't on or whatever. So, but that's okay, I'll pack food still. And I always just feel so clean using these products because I know it's good for my skin and it feels good. It doesn't like burn, or I don't know, the stuff that they use in it just feels really good on my skin. Keeps it feeling fresh and clean and moisturized throughout the day, and it's so cold and dry out right now, so I need that. I think it's almost time to shave my eyebrows again. Oh my gosh. I always do my eyebrows after my skincare. My hands get so greasy. There we go. Oh, this is the wrong one. I didn't even want that one open. I wanted this one open. It's okay. One of the luxuries that I have with my new car is that I have remote start, and I did not have that with my last car. So I will definitely be using that tonight. It's so nice because I'll be like in the studio and then I can turn it on from the studio versus have to wait like 10 minutes for it to warm up, which is très bon. Okay, I'm almost done. I know my skin looks like super greasy right now, but I promise once I am at work, it will kind of absorb and I will look normal and a little less like a little grease ball. There we go. Okay, that is it for my makeup. Let's go make a coffee, take with me to go, and let's pack lunch as well, or dinner, I guess.
I've been making use of this milk frother a lot more lately in the cold winter months, so I made a latte to go. I actually got it for Christmas last year from Steve's parents, and when I got to work, I was doing aerials during my break, and I can't believe I actually still have it. That was kind of cool to see and kind of fun. I did end up ordering and caving into ordering Freshie tonight. I got the same bowl that I got the last time I got Freshie, and it was so good, guys, and so refreshing. I'm really happy that I ordered food ahead of time because late in the night, Steve hurt himself, so we ended up spending the entire night in the ER. So it's never a dull moment in our household.
How are you feeling?
They ended up giving him a few stitches. He's totally fine. He's feeling a lot better. So we got home at 9:30 in the morning. We ended up ordering food because once again, we were both so tired. We got no sleep that night. We had a big long nap. And then when I woke up from my nap, my Nespresso order arrived, which was awesome. I really desperately needed 2 coffees, not just 1, but 2 after pulling basically an all-nighter because basically when I got home, we went to bed at like midnight and then he woke up and we had to go to the hospital at 1:30, got stuck behind a snowplow, got to the hospital at 2 and didn't leave the hospital until 9 a.m. and got home at 9:30. Again, he is totally fine. He is all good. We're so happy that we have such great healthcare. And yeah, so I ended up going to work that night after opening up my 2 advent calendars. I opened up 2 days worth of David's tea because I missed yesterday's, and I opened up the chocolate from yesterday as well as today from Lindt. And I went to work like I said earlier, and when I got home it was super late, so I didn't vlog because I basically just crashed on the couch and then again in bed, and I fell asleep and slept for like 12 hours. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog today. Let me know in the comments down below whatever you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.